And it's now time for the business day. Jamaican consumers saw some relief in February 2025 as the inflation rate recorded a 0.9% decline compared to the previous month. This reduction was largely driven by decreases in the prices of food and electricity, according to the latest data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin. The Food and Non-Alcoholic Beverages Division saw a significant 2.0% decline, heavily influenced by an 8.8% drop in the category vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses. The latest inflation figures also indicate a downward trend, with the point-to-point inflation rate at 4.4% as of February 2025. This represents a slight improvement from the 4.7% recorded in January 2025. Newly sworn-in minister without portfolio with responsibility for improving government efficiency and digital transformation, Ambassador Audrey Marks, has signaled her intention to work closely with the business sector, particularly small businesses, as she embarks on her new role.
Which will enable me to focus on two stakeholders that are close to my heart. First, entrepreneurs, by creating an environment that fosters innovation and celebration of entrepreneurship. By facilitating small businesses to actualize their potential to be the bedrock of Jamaica's growth spurt. Second, I'm equally delighted that with this mandate, we can even more effectively respond to our Jamaicans abroad. They are an invaluable asset. Their expertise, knowledge, and investment potential must be fully harnessed.
Foreign currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for an average $157.43. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.03. The pound is going for $201.03, while the euro is selling for an average $173.56. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 832 points today, while the junior market index declined by 48 points. The 40 winners included Pulse Investments, Express Catering, Indus Pharma, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, and Mailpack Group. The 49 declining stocks included Everything Fresh, ISP Finance Services, R.A. Williams, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Caribbean Brokers and Assurances. 26 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the business day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.